To set corner action for bottom right to turn off the screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap bottom right. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on switch next to turn off screen to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on and a mouse is connected to your phone, you can easily turn off screen by hovering and stopping your mouse pointer on the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.